Why choosing the right wealth manager, a coach, a mentor matters? What should one keep in mind before choosing a coach? A Harvard degree does not matter, being updated does. Preaching does not matter, how many follow the advice does. Awards do not matter, a genuine effort does. Number of customers do not matter, how many achieve the financial goals does. Having millions of followers does not matter, how many trust does. Short-term gains do not matter, long-term bonding matters. Big talks do not matter, hand-holding when needed does. Buying a product does not matter, customized solutions does. Jargons do not matter, ease of doing does. Choose your mentor or coach as you would choose a friend for life. Book an appointment today. Log on to WealthMunshi.com